Hello, friends. Let us now see the other ways of how we can do promotion using social media. So, one more method is about creating a page. If your company does not have a page, you can create that with the help of this Create Page tab. Once you click onto it, it will ask you about the kind of page that you want to create, whether it's a local business or an organization. And similarly, there are other options. So, accordingly, select the same and create a page if not existing. If the company or the product or service for which you want to advertise already has a page, then you would not need to go ahead and use this element. The other way how we can do the promotion is with the help of groups. What I mean by that is, in the search box in your Facebook account, go ahead and search for groups related to your product or service. Like here, I want to give info about used cars. So I will search for used cars. Enter the term and click on the search icon. You will see multiple results about it. Like here is a public group which has over 52,000 people showing data about used car for sale. Here is one more group which has over 88,000 people. So you can join any of these group and then post about it in the same. Also, you can see other groups which are available by clicking on the see more icon, and there you can see there are many groups which are having many lakhs or thousands of members under it. And if you open any of the group, you will generally see, if the group allows, before joining it, the posts which are done by other users. So here you can see that there are various cars which are being shown for sale with their pricing and other details. So you could also go ahead and post your video and give everyone who is a part of this group an idea as to how they can buy a second hand or a pre-owned or a used vehicle. So that's a great way of using groups. So similarly, you can even search for places with the help of which you can know about various places related to car dealership which are there nearby. You can either like a page of some other dealership or someone who is dealing in used cars. You can go to that particular page, and there also there is a ability that people who have liked the page, they can even post if they want certain data on the page. So this depends from page to page, but yes, many of the pages allow visitors to post onto them. So you could even take the leverage of posting on some other pages with the help of the comment section. So the comment section is somewhere which can be of great use to you for posting about your videos. So these are a couple of nice methods which are available in Facebook for promoting your part of video without any payment. Similarly, if we talk about Twitter, Twitter also has that ability in which you take the help of two to three major elements. So now let us check how we can do promotion of video using Twitter. The best thing is to create a tweet in which we are going to mention about the URL of our video. So let us copy the URL of our video and add it in a tweet so as we can find how it would look when it is sent to people. So once we copy the URL, the tweet can now be sent. We can incorporate other text as well. Ideally, once we send it, there is a different way how it would look. There would be an icon as well as the name of YouTube being seen in the tweet. To show an example, here is one of the pages of a company named Firebase. So here you can see that they have sent a tweet for learning Firebase with the help of a video on YouTube. So if someone clicks onto it, the video itself will start playing in YouTube, and the person does not need to leave their Twitter page for seeing the video. So this is a great way of how you can promote. For this, you need your Twitter account, and better, you can create even a company Twitter handle and there promote it with the help of tweets. One important element in sending tweet is about something known as the hashtag, which is being seen out here. Like this tweet has hashtag IO16, or this tweet has hashtag Firebase Dev Summit. So what you can do is you can make sure that whenever you are using to even add a video, you use prominent hashtag. It could be a hashtag related to your product. Like in our tweet, we could be using hashtag like used car, or we could be using it like used car guide, or if it is a particular car which we are actually advertising for, like let's say used BMW car, we could be even specifying those kind of hashtag. What it will do is that other people who are also using that hashtag, they will also come to know about you, because on Twitter there are lot many searches which people do with the help of using a hashtag. So hashtag ideally connects all the people who are using some similar term. For example, if I search for a hashtag used car, let us see what are the kind of results we find for used cars. When we search using that, you can see there are people who are promoting about buying used cars, people who are even sharing details about their used cars. Thus, there is a common platform with the help of which you can connect and know about a lot of details regarding the same product or service. So that's a great power of hashtag. So with that being said, go ahead and use hashtag, go ahead and create a Twitter handle, go ahead and input the URL of your YouTube video. With these techniques, it is sure shot that you will get a lot of views even for your video through Twitter. With that being said, the last element related to our social media method is about using WhatsApp and Instagram. Well, there is not any sort of great explanation which is to be added about it. The only points to remember in doing that is we continue to promote our video in the same way like we did for Facebook or Twitter, on Instagram and WhatsApp as well, by sharing the link and writing related text that what our video relates to. So if we are member of various groups on WhatsApp, as well as we can go ahead and create a profile on Instagram, and if we have followers out there like Facebook and Twitter, both these mobile first platforms also can give us a lot of exposure. So try out them as well and check out results related to your products and see where best can social media and its amazing power take you through. Thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next tutorial.